Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Virginia
and I'm Felix. In this video we'll be talking about why is it important to cultivate your own garden and who is behind the term cultivate your own garden.
We will also show you guys a tour of our garden of what we have planted.
So we will first have a quick discussion here and then take a quick tour of the garden.
Stick with this video until the end. We will have a bonus tip. If you have watched our previous video, we talked about 10 things we learned during COVID-19, and one of them was the importance of cultivating your own food. And today's topic is about the kitchen garden or cultivating your own food. And for those who have not watched our previous video, please, the link is on the description box. Kimbia huko mbio mbio, then you come back and watch this.
So thank you for watching our previous video and supporting us. We are so grateful for that. So if you are new here, our channel usually deals with business topic, technology and lifestyle. So if you're interested in those topics, you can subscribe
to see more of those topics.
We searched for a piece of land which had access to water because hakuna mvua, and we also bought some quality seed from an agrovet in Mombasa, and some of the seed did very well, like sukuma wiki seeds did very well, but kama mbegu ya tomato hivyo ilituangusha ikumea vizuri. And watch till the end. We will show you a tip on how to check quality seeds. Yeah. So the term cultivate your own garden imetoka kwa the philosopher Voltaire. Voltaire was a French philosopher who lived in 16th century. He lived in 16th century and he wrote a book called Candide, and in that book called Candide, hapo ndo the term cultivate your own food came from, and it came from that book through a story. And in that book he told a story about 3 men, and one of them was called Candide, and one who was called Candide was a French, and they have traveled around the world. They have wametravel around the world sana, walikuwa wamejionea mambo mengi ya dunia, and walikuwa wamejua rape, famine, shipwreck and many things. And sasa walikuwa kwa ilikuwa inaitwa Turkey, huko ndo walikuwa wanaishi. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Felix and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to talk about food, and mainly the main topic we are going to talk about is how to grow food. And in this video we will take a tour of our garden kitchen, and welcome and enjoy.
Yeah guys, we have our seed bed where we have planted our sukuma wiki or our kale, and kales have small seed. You must plant them in a seed bed before you transfer them into a garden. and we did not take that video of how to do that process. If you would like to see that process, leave a comment down below. Yeah, but guys, this is a seed bed for tomatoes, and the seed for this tomato was not good, so it did not produce so many seedlings, and it performed very poorly. Pia hapa napo tuko na mboga. Hii mboga inaitwa mkunde, ni mzuri sana kwa mkimo, ama ukipika na ugali, alafu uzuri haishangi kwa shamba. This is a kienyeji, ni mboga ya kienyeji, and ni mzuri ya ugali na ukieka nyama.
So guys, now we are transplanting our seedling, but before you transplant the seedlings, you make sure you water the seed bed, so that when you are removing your seeds, you will be able to remove it with the roots. Okay? Yes. So guys, we have cultivated our land, and now we are watering it so that the soil can be softened to allow the seedlings to fit well. Yes.
So pia hapa tumeweka our ground iko na maji, na pia hapa previously we had planted them, zimeshashika, na they require a lot of water when they are young, and hapa ndo tunafaa kuja kuleta hizo zingine. Tushatengeneza fallows ndo ikuwe easy kuweka maji for irrigation. Yeah. So if you would like to see a video how to grow tomato straight from seed, also let us know in the comment section, because these seedlings, this seed for it to fail.